Hey, let me show you how we can hide this gesture handle on the Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, open the Galaxy Store and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And you have to search for Good Lock application by going into the apps. It will be over here. Click on the search and input Good Lock phrase. Now download it. Then you have to go for open and you have to download Navstar plugin. Next, when you open it, you have to be welcome with the buttons, but you have to go for swipe gestures. And you will have to go for the gesture. You have to just scroll all the way down and you have to enable the gesture handle. And you can change its size, by the way. So we can make this like super small. And also we can set the transparent of this and change color into the white. And now as you can see, this bar is almost not visible right now. Thanks for watching this video.